Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to factory reset Samsung TV with remote. Let's go. First way, open settings. All settings. General. Reset. Enter PIN. Second way, press mute 119 OK. Press 1 2 3 4. Select Factory Reset. After that, your TV's settings will be reset to factory settings. That's it. Now you know how to factory reset Samsung TV with remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.